How to fix YouTube Shorts not showing to a subscriber. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick guide video. If you're having issues with YouTube Shorts and your videos are not getting views, in today's video, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out to solve this issue. Now, first of all, let's get into some technical issues that might be causing the problem. So what you can do is while uploading the video, make sure that the video is set to public and not set to unlisted or private. So once you make sure that this is the case, you can just tap on the upload shorts and it should now start showing to your subscribers. But however, if this is not the case for you, what you can also try out is adding in the hashtag shorts in the title or description of your videos. What this does is categorizes the video as shorts and not as a long form format video. Now, apart from this is what also could cause the issue is that the algorithm and the engagement of your video is not there. So what I mean by that is a lot of people are swiping away instead of watching the video. So in this case, what you need to do is improve your hook as well as the engagement or the video that you are posting. Also, make sure that you post consistently to teach the algorithm when you want to show the content to your subscribers. Once you ensure these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the shorts not showing to subscriber issue. If this short guide video did help you out, do let me know. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next guide.